celebrity culture has become an integral part of our society. With the rise of social media, we are constantly bombarded with images and information about our favorite celebrities. For teenagers, in particular, the impact of celebrity culture can be both positive and negative. One specific aspect of celebrity culture that has a significant influence on teenagers is the obsession with physical appearance. Celebrities are often seen as role models when it comes to fashion, beauty, and fitness. Teenagers, who are still in the process of developing their sense of self, may feel pressure to conform to these standards in order to fit in or be accepted by their peers. This pressure can lead to unhealthy behaviors such as extreme dieting, excessive exercise, and even plastic surgery. In fact, according to a survey conducted by the American Society of Plastic Surgeons, the number of teenagers undergoing cosmetic procedures has increased by approximately 200% since the year 2000. This increase can be attributed, in part, to the influence of celebrity culture. Moreover, the pressure to conform to these beauty standards can have a detrimental effect on teenagers' mental health. Studies have shown that constant exposure to images of perfect bodies can lead to body dissatisfaction and low self-esteem, especially in young girls. This can lead to a range of issues including anxiety, depression, and eating disorders. Additionally, the constant scrutiny that celebrities face in the media can also have a negative impact on teenagers' mental health. The paparazzi and tabloids often focus on the personal lives of celebrities, digging up dirt and spreading rumors. This can create unrealistic expectations for teenagers, who may view this type of behavior as normal or even desirable. On the other hand, some aspects of celebrity culture can have a positive influence on teenagers. Celebrities can use their platform to raise awareness and promote important social causes. For example, many celebrities have used their influence to advocate for climate change, LGBTQ+ rights, and mental health awareness. Furthermore, celebrities can serve as role models for teenagers who are interested in pursuing creative careers such as acting, music, or fashion. Seeing successful individuals who have achieved their dreams can inspire young people to pursue their own passions and work towards their goals.